Hey everyone, I want to teach you guys how to mine with both the GPU and the CPU at the same time. So let's go here and I'll show you how it's done. So currently you want to go to Mineable, Unmineable, and I'll put a link in the description below with my link. I appreciate if you use my link below. And what you want to do is you want to set up this one here. Now I have this one on the GPU at T-Rex Miner, and this is as a XM rig. Okay, and this is with the CPU. Okay, so I have a 32 core Threadripper with a 4090 RTX, and this is a 48. And it's kind of weird because like some algorithms it mines at 100 mega hashes, I guess, and then with this one it runs at 47, but it still does far better than the other one. So I'll show you the calculator here, and this is what I'm getting about zero point 0.3, zero point 0.9, zero point 0.1. So I'm getting about a zero point 0.1, 0.03, 0.09, so about a zero point 0.1 every minute or so, or every minute or 2 minutes. Been growing quite fast, and I'll show you how it's done. Um, Once you install and you set it up, you actually will be mining a different coin, and Unmineable will exchange that for whichever coin that you wanted to trade on. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that you're pretty tech savvy and you can just set it up. You just need direction of where to go and how to do it, right? Once you download it, then you kind of want to do a quick start here. You can then you don't know what your hashes are until once you start running it. So let's say now that I know what my hashes are, 50 M hashes, I can then see that I'm getting 8.6 dojis a day with the Kapow algorithm. Now if I go to NextPal, it's 3.5. So you kind of want to go through here and pick out which one gives you the best. Pyropal is 8. Ironfish. All right. So then I did done all this, and it turned out to be a Kapow and Pyropal that seems to be the best for me, and the rest were like not that great, or at least not good enough to be the best. Okay. So this is like half a Doge with this MH whatever. Um, and so on. Okay, so once you figure out which one does the best, and you kind of enter the number, so you need to kind of baseline it to kind of figure out where you're at. And of course, this also changes from just depending on the type of mining. Okay. All right. Then what you want to do is right click over here and just click this, and then you have another instance of it. So now I have 3 different miners: 1, 2, and 3, and that's how you do it. Okay. Now you can then load this one up if you had another GPU or whatever, or it doesn't detect it or whatever it is. Uh, you can then go back to your settings here. You can say I want to use graphics card, and then you can want to use another algorithm here, ETS, and then you're gonna have to pick one that works. Now, if this one doesn't work for some reason, like it only mines a certain amount of coins, if you pick this one, it might change the type of thing you're using. I think I had on Kapow, and when I change it to LOL, it changes it to ET Cash. Okay, so you have to make note of that. Now, if you are having issues when you save and restart, it doesn't mine at all, and you checked your processes, and it's not firing up. Well, let me see here. Let's try to get back. How do I get back on there? Task manager. There's my task manager, but I want to see the bigger end. I'm sure there's a hotkey to get it out here, but somehow I'm stuck on that. Anyways, let me close this window and try to start over again. Maybe that's the way to do it. Alright, there it is. So let's go to my processes. You can then see that I have my 32 cores, my GPU RTX 4090 going off, and you have another one. You can then maybe set it or whatever. I think they're either set up or whatever. Now let's say it doesn't work. What you want to do is then Google LOL miner or Google. You might want to go here to on the Unminer. They have a list of different miners that you can choose from: XM Rig, T-Rex, and just kind of go and select it. Now your virus scanner might delete it, so it's missing. And so if it's missing, you have to go to xmrig.com or Google it, find the XM Rig. You're gonna find the zip file like T-Rex, unzip it, and then you can then find the actual T-Rex miner to select from it. And I also have an XM Rig NB miner. It's all there just in case your virus scanner takes care of that. So you're gonna have to disable your virus scanner because they detect all crypto related stuff as virus related. And then once you select that, then it should be able to save and restart, and you should be good to go. And then you can start mining. Now I've never done 3. I'm actually curious to see if it actually does even more or whatever it is. Let's see what happens here once I have 3. I don't even know what it's doing. So I have another GPU at LOL. Is it gonna fight each other? It mines a little bit. This goes down. So it's gonna, I think it's gonna struggle with each other. It's gonna take GPU here, GPU there, and it's gonna hurt each other. So I don't know. It doesn't matter. I think you just stick to one. I think this is the best. So let's go ahead and stop this one. And that's how you would CPU mine and GPU mine all at the same time. Okay. Oh no, I just closed it off. Okay, don't do that. I'm going to start back up. Alright, thanks for watching. Links in the description below. We'll talk to you then.